Hi everyone, I'm here to show you the new software program that we have developed in order to solve an issue, which is the design of grids for geophysical modeling. This is a problem usually when you're trying to do some type of modeling or some type of inversion where you have to draw a grid, usually a 3D grid, and you got lots of rows and columns for each cell, so you have to define your values, and this might be a hard work. Okay, we have developed this software that you can use to do this, to draw your geological model and transform it in a CSV file, very easy to read and to apply your calculations. This program that we are presenting here also has a modeling package where you can model the gravity effects of some cube. You can test it. I will show you how to do it, okay? First, let's see how our program is organized. Hopefully you have, let me put this small now. Hopefully you have downloaded the software from our web page, which you can find it here. This is our web page. You have downloaded and you put it in some folder. Okay, for compiling it and using it, what I do is I'm using the Java runtime. It is the 1.8, and I'm using NetBeans. So I will start NetBeans. You can do as I'm doing here, or you can also create your own runnable framework, okay? From the software, from the source. Okay, here is the code. I will not explain this here. If you want if you have some questions or whatever, you can email us and I'll try to explain it to you. Okay, our code is here. As you can see, in the source folder, you got only one file, which is Cube3D.java, and apart from this source file, you also have some PNGs, some image files, which will be used for icons. Also, for the dialogues, you should have this CSV file, which is called dialogues, which is a file, you have two versions, the English version and the Portuguese version, which you can use for seeing your dialogues in Portuguese or English, or if you want, you can translate them to any language that you want. All right, for running the software, I'll just make run. It takes some seconds for preparing it. And here you can see the main window of our program. Okay, it's working. You can see you have some tabs here, which I will explain you in another tutorial what to do with this. And you have some menus here. I will just show you that everything is running fine. I've got also a folder where I put some grid examples. You can also download this from our file. I'll open this grid named B. You can see it here, and I will put it in a different scale. You can see the grid. We can use this grid for making some tests with our program. Okay, I'll show you this in the next tutorial. For exiting the program, just make file, exit. Okay. This is it for now, just to explain to you how to to have your working set to try our code. So install NetBeans. I'm using 8.0.2 and download the code, put it in a folder and run your code. All right. If you want to see the next tutorial, you should go for grids, looking for the grids, how to load grids and how to make some management of the grids.